Okay, so the next question we have is f of x is equal to cos x minus cos square x plus cos cube x till infinity, and we have to find the integral of what? F of x. So first of all, see the sum of the function. If I'll find, no, sum to the infinite term, because it is to the infinite terms. So you will see it is in the form of GP, right? Where the first term is cos x, and the common ratio is, no, the r is equal to what? Minus cos x, because the cos x minus cos square x cos cube x. So r is equal to minus cos x. So what we'll do, we'll write it as a 1 minus r, right? A 1 minus r, and a is what? Cos x, and I can write 1 minus minus of cos x, and here it is dx, correct? Now we have to find the integral of basically cos x and 1 plus cos x dx. This integral we have to find. Now I am making a small change in the numerator, that is 1 plus cos x minus 1, means adding and subtracting 1 from the numerator, that is eventually not making any change. 1 plus cos x, correct? Now I can break into two parts. The two parts will be 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, and minus I can write 1 plus cos x, correct? Here I am writing 1 by cos x. Now this will cancel out and it will become equal to 1. This will cancel out and it will become equal to 1, and here I can write integral of 1 by 1 plus cos x, right? So this I know that one integral will be equal to x, but here only we have to now solve, and I can write it as 1 plus cos x, I can write as what? Cos square x by 2, right? So this will become equal to what? 2 cos square x by 2, right? Because 2 cos square x by 2. 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 and dx. Now integral of 1 minus, this can be written as 1 by 2, and cos square x can be written as what? Secant square x by 2 dx. Now this is what? X. The integral of 1 will be x. This is half outside, and this is what? Tan x by 2, and divided by what? 1 by 2, divided by 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 will get cancelled. So finally I will be getting x minus tan x by 2 and plus c. So the final answer will be x minus tan x by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer.